Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you simple but elegant home decor DIYs using inexpensive items like these LED pillar candles that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. For idea number one, I'm using two of these 8x10 mirrors, one 9-inch mirror, and an LED pillar candle, all from Dollar Tree. The first thing I did was use a strong adhesive to glue both of the frames together. I made sure that both frames were in the same direction. Next, I glued the round mirror on top. I made two of these pieces and I allowed them to dry for about 4 hours. I then added my LED pillar candles and I allowed my pieces to dry for a full 24 hours. To add a bit more sparkle, I'm adding Dollar Tree disco towels. This design is super customizable, but I've opted to add one single row of the towels. I kept my design super clean and simple, and here's how my new mirrored wall sconces turned out. I found more of these mirrors in Dollar Tree this week, and here's how I used 12 of them to make a beautiful mirrored side table. Here, I'm gluing Dollar Tree tire game wood pieces to the 8-inch side of the frame. When positioned correctly, there should be a small space remaining towards the front of the frame. I added the wood pieces to 4 of the mirrors. Most of these wood pieces will be hidden, but just in case there's any gaps, I'm adding a small amount of black Sharpie marker to the edges. I then used generous amounts of a strong adhesive and hot glue to glue all 4 of the mirrors together. I made a total of 3 of these pieces. Once the glue was dry, I added these premium gripper pads to the bottom of my first piece. I don't want my side table to sit directly on the floor, and these sliders will help me to slide the table across the room easily. Next, I'm adding 10-inch mirrors to the top of each square before stacking them. I allowed my design to dry for a full 24 hours, and here's how idea number 2 turned out. I really love how both projects turned out. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!